Established by MabPlex International, we are MabPlex USA, a full-service development laboratory located in San Diego. Our team is here to provide a wide range of solutions to fit your process development needs, supported by experienced, on-site project management. Screening for stable and productive lines, cell banking, media optimization, and scale-up development are just a few of the services provided by our upstream group. Downstream activities include resin screening, filtration sizing, chromatography, and reaction optimization. We can tailor options from multiple vendors to suit your production requirements. Take advantage of our platform assays or collaborate with our analytical team to develop product-specific methods. We can also assist you with formulation screening and stability studies. All instrumentation is aligned with MabPlex GMP facilities located in Yantai, Shandong Province in China. Our facility supports cell culture production at volumes ranging from 2 liters to 200 liters, and antibody-drug conjugation reactions up to 2 liters, allowing us to support our clients from early-stage material generation through IND-enabling tox studies. When commercial production is on the horizon, technical transfer to the MabPlex M2 facility in Yantai provides a seamless transition for FDA EMA compliant manufacture of drug product. MabPlex USA, your comprehensive solution for process development in the heart of San Diego.